Ready to turn your art into a thriving print business? First, pinpoint your perfect customer. Are they modern minimalists, nature lovers, or pop culture fanatics? Understanding their tastes is key. Next, explore online platforms like Etsy for handmade charm, Shopify for building your own brand, or Redbubble for easy printment. Don't forget your own website. It's your digital gallery. Use high-quality images and write compelling descriptions that highlight your print's unique features. Speaking of images, invest in professional photography to showcase your prints in their best light. Now, let's talk pricing. Research the competition, factor in your costs, and consider offering limited editions for a premium price. Proper packaging is crucial to avoid damage during shipping. Finally, ramp up your marketing. Use social media to engage with your audience, run promotions, and build excitement around your art. Remember, consistent effort and audience engagement are your keys to success in the art print market.